Are you visiting South Korea soon? Then don't miss these adorable sky capsules in Busan. It was raining on this day, but we continued with our plan because these sky capsules are just so cute and colorful, you don't want to miss them. There are two stations for this, Mipo and Chongsapo. Nag-research kami in advance and found out that more people choose Mipo station, so we decided to go to Chongsapo station to avoid the crowd. Ang capsule namin is good for 3 adults, which is priced at 45,000 Korean won, and children below 3 years old is still free of charge. These sky capsules run on an elevated track, so you will have a view of Busan's beautiful sea and skyscrapers. It's best to book tickets online in advance habang nasa Pinas pa lang kayo para hindi kayo maubusan ng tickets kasi madali daw ma-sold out. Nasa caption po nitong video ang link ng website kung saan pwede kayong mag-book ng tickets. Direct website po yan ng Blue Line Park. Sa website, pwede kayong pumili ng oras na gusto nyo. It starts at 9 a.m. and then your last trip is 5:30 p.m. Last trip nga rin ang pinili namin because we were hoping for a sunset view, pero umulan naman ng buong araw. Nag-enjoy pa rin naman kami and I'm sure kayo din mag-i-enjoy.